Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. This video is completely different. This is actually a Discord bot tutorial. This is without coding. I actually am good at coding and I can code my own. But this one's going to be without coding. It's a little different, a little easier process. Actually a lot easier process. So what you're going to do here is, wherever you are, Google Explorer, go to Discord Developer Portal and create an application, in which case mine, let's just do it, let's just name it testbot. So that's the name of what the bot's gonna be. Let's just put moderation bot, moderation, administration, and support. So those are the three things we're gonna do. So that's gonna be my test bot. Okay. What am I doing with this? And so this is our test bot. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to bot. You're gonna add your application as a bot. What? Okay. Never mind. I just test YouTube bot. There we go. Test YouTube bot. There we go. Okay. Bot. Add this bot. There is our bot. The test YouTube bot. What you're gonna want to do is, especially for this where you don't have to code anything. You're gonna scroll down on the bot. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna turn on privileged. You're gonna turn on presence intent and server members intent, and you'll also turn on message content intent. And so once you get here, in other words, let's just have this administrator. I'm gonna save the changes. Sorry about that. So that's what we have right now. Now here comes the easy part. You're gonna copy this. You're gonna copy the token. I'm definitely not revealing. So once you have your token copied, so okay, copy that. Okay, copy your token, and what they'll do here is, this is an easier one. I'm gonna go out of this. You're gonna go to here. You're gonna search up bot ghost.com. Please don't pop up my bot. And that's okay. It didn't. So once you are here, this will definitely not be the page. Now I'm here. I'm gonna press get started. Stop popping me to my dashboard. Stop popping me to my dashboard. Yeah, I'm gonna click on new bot. It'll be totally different if you don't have one. So I'm gonna just come over here. And I've already made 2 non-coding bots. So watch, I'm gonna click that. And this is where it should be. It'll say setup and it'll have this which says bot token. What you're gonna do here is you're gonna click that bot token. You're gonna create bot. You're gonna click create bot. If you don't, go to developer portal and grab that token. Click create bot. And at this point in time, it'll be creating your actual bot. Now here comes the interesting part. Now I actually have my bot created. So if I go here, actually I need to invite him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite my bot into my test server. See, test YouTube bot. And what we're going to do here is we're going to test server administrator. I am definitely human. Literally, I am. It has the full bot set up. And now it is authorized. So I am officially, my bot is officially in this Discord server. So if I go back to Discord, as you see here, it says my test YouTube bot has arrived. And currently it is online. See, it says moderation, administration, support making YouTube test video. So we actually have our bot, which is now connected to BotGhost. It's online. So once this happens, this is where you can create custom commands and all this. You're going to go, so now this is registered, you're going to go back to dashboard on BotGhost. What you're going to, if you want to have your bot, let's say you want the status changed. It's, let's say, like watching you or something like that. You're going to click on status. You're going to either, let's just keep this fixed. And we're going to make it, let's say watching. Okay, save changes. And we're going to say YouTube test bot. So now that I just did this, where it's watching, that is the actual text it will be saying it's watching. So if I go back here, see, it says watching YT test bot, YouTube test bot. So that's one thing you could do. And then you could do a rotating thing, which I do not have premium for. You'd have to get premium for that. But for custom commands, you would come to the custom command thing. Let's just make a let's do support. As this is a support bot. Support. So now I have this. This is the fun part. If you want actions built into this, this is where it all comes in handy. So it'll give new custom command. Make a command. This will say command information. Your trigger is what people will say. So your trigger, like they will say slash or whatever, with that word that name you have put down, and that'll send it. It'll put up the description with it, and this is where you actually make the actions and everything to it. I'm gonna go to command builder. So right now this is the support feature I have added. I do not want these. What I want to do is if someone says support, I'm gonna go to actions and I'm gonna have it where it I'm gonna have it direct message to a user. I have just now placed this into my commands. I'm gonna click this blue thing. I'm gonna hold it down. I'm gonna draw a line to that. So now that is connected. So in other words, if someone does that messages slash support, it'll send it to this, which is a direct message to the user. Let's do plain text. You can either do a plain text, which is this, or you could do like a no, yeah, or an embed text, which is this. I'm just gonna do a plain text for this one. I'm gonna say is an filament for YouTube. So now this is what the action will say. So we'll message them, and I'll just say, please resort to other options. Let's just do that. You can actually put whatever you want. No worries. That's just what I put, but you can put like a website or something like, and the list, and do that. And once we have this done, this is our commands now. Options is what like you can have for people to type it. But in other words, press once you have your custom commands, press save command. Now your commands are saved. So in other words, I can go back now. I can go. I can just see here. I have the command actually saved. So if I go back to the Discord and I do support, see it already says YouTube test. Now if I go and I enter it, it's thinking. Don't worry about that. You can delete it afterwards. But you're going to come up here and it'll actually message you. And look, as it says, with the action, bot is in development for YouTube. Please resort to other options. So yes, it actually did message me. That's a good sign, and it's awesome. One last thing that you can do about this is, well, let me delete this. What we can do, I can go, so with commands, if you don't have premium, sadly with this one, you can only make it, I think, 5 custom commands, because here they already have commands set up, like moderation commands, help, ban, unmute, mute, warn, warnings, all of those commands, report even. So, like, if I wanted, I could do /report, let's just do, user, really, YouTube video. So watch, it has actually just reported that user. So, cancel that. Now it has just made a channel called Reports, and it says, new report against test YouTube bot by me, which is who I created. So now that has actually been formalized. So that's pretty much all you need to know for this video. You could also do the say command just real quick, which is /say. Good morning. So the bot actually said good morning, and it got rid of my text. So the bot has just messaged and said that. Like I said, you could do all these. Like you could do /purge, which deletes all of them. Let's do 2, and it has just deleted those. So now this is empty again. One main thing is you can invite your bot to different servers, and this you can actually have where people can join your, can use your bot. Like, in other words, they can grab your bot, and put it in their server, and they can use your commands that you've made and everything. So it's a trade. So you can press bot list over here. You can press enable, save changes, new YouTube bot. That's what I'm gonna put. You can put whatever you want for it. Awesome, cool development bot. There, that's made. Put your Discord server link here that you have, in which case that'll be mine, which I'll grab that right there, and I'll place that right there. So there's my Discord server one, bot tags. You can put like moderation and support. So those are the tags that people will see that my bot is used for. And I can also put, and so now that this is done, please work. So now it goes 2 bots. So these are all of people's bots. I'm gonna do moderation. It let me think. if I'm correct, yeah, it only shows your bot if you have, I believe, more than one server that people have taken your bot and placed in. There's if people have if your bot is in one stranger server or more than one stranger server, it'll pop up here after you have this done, uh, and it'll pretty much people can just take it. So in other words, I can just go here and I can invite this bot to my server, which would be pretty awesome. They have they're in one server, that's awesome. But essentially, this yeah, and I'm not sure if I didn't show you guys yet. Oh yeah, you can also turn your bot your status off. So I just click stop. Now my bot will turn to offline. Now my bot is offline. So I come back to general. See, my bot is actually offline. So, but I'm gonna keep it back online. You can enable beta features and all of those. Uh, this will show all the servers that your bot is in, like even stranger servers, which is a pretty cool feature that they have set up here. This is announcements that you can put for someone that's joining or leaving or something like that. And once again, they just have all these stuff, but I'll cover that in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting, staying with me for all these times, and have a good